Greetings from Las Vegas. We're at the Red Rock National Conservation Area just outside the city, and all the shots and videos, pictures today will be with the Canon G7X Mark III. Show you the results at the end and give you my opinions. Taking the scenic route today through the canyon, so see what happens. Not really a full or technical review, rather my first impressions of using this point and shoot offering from Canon. I already own the Canon T6, and my motivation for buying the camera was to have a second versatile option for travel, vlogging, or street photos. I knew about the autofocus issues before my purchase. However, this was not a major concern due to my goals of how to use the camera. It features a 20 megapixel sensor, so I thought it might be a slight step up from my T6 for the occasional landscape photo at a national park. The camera features an equivalent focal length of 24 to 100 millimeters, which is adequate compromise for the weekend photographer. The very first thing I realized that it is small. Like many features of this camera, it may be a good or bad thing depending on your preferences or style of photography. Numerous times I had issues operating the buttons while accidentally opening unwanted menus or screens. Also, many operations are controlled by the touch screen, which led to other random accidental entries. Similar to a fat finger operating a mobile phone, not always 100% accurate. Perhaps less of an issue as I become more familiar with the camera. The other small issue is having no viewfinder. A minor benefit is being able to see exactly what the camera is viewing. However, this may be difficult in harsh light and could relegate setting your final composition to a best guess scenario. This also contributes to reduced battery life, as the screen is necessarily on whenever the camera is in use. My first adventure with the camera was at Red Rock Canyon for a few landscape shots. The pictures here are a JPEG version using fully automatic settings, also a bit of minor editing for artistic effect. At least for landscape photos, personally I preferred the larger body of my T6, as it provided a more tactile or analog operation, which seemed much easier to operate. Of course, the T6 also has the ability of adding a variety of lenses for various options.